Gary, are you gonna move?
Gary,
He's not moving.
Gary.
He's not moving. God damn it! You're gonna pay for that.
Oh! You came out like a shotgun.
You finally get him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nelly.
How the fuck did you kill me?
Point blank with a shotgun. And by
That was
point
not
blank,
point
I
blank.
mean 6 feet
You're
away,
point
so it
blank.
kind of count. Who stole that? Who
You
God
know,
damn
you
it,
know
Nelly.
you deserve that.
You deserve shit, okay?
Yeah, you definitely deserve that.
Alec, you fag.
That dude loves dick.
A copious amounts.
Nope. Nope.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll
I don't
take
know
it.
how it worked out, but I'll take it.
I'll take it.